Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Lately. While some companies are moderating expenditure, Kingston Wharves is pledging to spend more. Chief Executive Officer Mark Williams says the COVID-19 pandemic has made some of the company's plans more urgent. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed how countries trade with each other. Recognizing that, Kingston Wharves is moving to ensure its operations are on par with the rest of the world. But as KWL CEO Mark Williams explains, adapting to the new norm is a capital-intensive undertaking.
Even amidst this pandemic, Kingston Wharves is about to spend in excess of $1 billion to ensure that this terminal is COVID ready and indeed ready for the next 75 years.
The company is now looking to develop a 13-acre property nearby the port. This amid signs that the demand for storage space is growing.
What COVID-19 has taught us is that the idea of having large global locations, that has changed. The new normal to ensure regional supplies and regional food security is that you need large, well-run, well-appointed logistics facility within the region.
And as more traders look to Kingston as the gateway to local and regional economies, Kingston Wharves is bolstering its security features.
We're pleased to announce that this year we'll be spending in excess of $2 million to ensure that this terminal and its environment have a robust, internationally accepted security system. We'll be spending on expanding our CCTV surveillance coverage, on access control, on ensuring that the credentials as it relates to security in and around Kingston Wharves meet the highest international standard.
Digicel is reporting that it has completed the last significant milestone in the process to reduce its debt. The company says Digicel Group 1 limited scheme of arrangement is now in effect. Digicel says the debt reduction process is expected to be completed next week following consummation of the previously announced offers to exchange existing debt of Digicel Group 2 Limited for various new securities. The company says it will now be able to reduce its debt by about $1.6 billion to approximately $5.4 billion. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.54. The Canadian dollar sold for $105.61. The pound is going for $177.19, while the euro closed at $160.74. The JSE index lost 6,402 points today, while the junior market index gained 18 points. Among the winners were Epley, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Jamaican Teas, Express Catering, and Jamaica Producers Group. Now on the losing side were Proven Investments US dollar shares, 138 Student Living Variable Preference shares, Scotia Group Jamaica, Jetcon Corporation, and Sterling Investments. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Lately. Good evening.